In this video, we'll be looking at how to access Ribbon Workbench through XRM Toolbox. So what you need to do is, if you have XRM Toolbox, just open it. Once you have opened the XRM Toolbox, go to Configuration and click on Tool Library. Search for a tool called Ribbon Workbench. Okay, and just click on Install. So you will get a message saying installation done. So now what you need to do is just follow the regular process of using a plugin in XRM Toolbox. Just connect to your organization first and then just go to Ribbon Workbench and start using it. So the advantage of this method is that you don't need to actually install a solution in the environment itself. In the next video, we'll look at how to install Ribbon Workbench in your CRM organization.